hustling inside, trying to get these dollars. Trying to make more money than life makes problems. New city, new women now. No. Pretty Caroline.
I just want to have like a silent and chill vlog. This is like a day in a life balancing my school and my work. So I hope you like this video. I'll just continue the video ahead. Hi everyone! Good morning! So it's Nicole here and welcome back again for another vlog. So ayun, kakatapos ko lang mag-shower, mag-class, and also gawin yung mga morning routines na ginagawa ko everyday. So ayan, very chill lang siya. It's just a silent vlog. Gusto ko lang mag-explore ng other ways in vlogging rather than laging nagsasalita. So baka naumay na kayo sa boses ko. But anyway, for today's vlog, I decided to share my hair care routine. It's just a quick review kung ano ba yung mga products and and methods na ginagawa ko to maintain a healthy and smooth hair. It's because I saw a comment on my previous vlog. So if hindi nyo pa napapanood yung previous vlog ko, I'll put a link in the card here. And then it's about my skincare routine, and someone requested and commented there. Nagawa naman daw ako ng hair care routine ko. Kung ano ba yung mga products na ginagamit ko sa hair ko. Yun. So thank you so much sis for suggesting that video. Ayan, shout out na rin sa'yo. Well, to be honest, wala naman ako masyadong ginagamit na products or treatment sa hair ko. Unlike sa facial skincare ko or body care ko is marami akong ginagamit. Gusto ko kompleto, gusto ko sobrang clean. Kaya marami akong mga nilalagay sa face or sa body. But pagdating sa hair is, I don't mind putting too much treatment and products sa hair ko because I believe when it comes to my hair, less is more. Less products, less treatment, and less chemical substance na ipuput ko sa hair ko is mas healthier. So that's what I believe, at nag-work naman siya, like natural lang yung hair ko. Umiiwas ako sa mga chemical substances. Anyway, a few days ago, I just received a PR package from Herbal Essence. So ayan, papakita ko sa inyo yung PR package nila because sobrang ganda, sobrang aesthetic their packaging. So ito yung pinadala na lang hair care sa atin. So meron tayo ditong Herbal Essence White Strawberry Mint and Shampoo. And we also had here the White Strawberry Mint then on conditioner. It's been almost a week since na ginagamit ko tong products na to, and I could really notice changes from my hair. So I would like to share you guys my experience and thoughts about this product. So if you want to know more guys, just keep on watching. So ayan guys, I just want to quickly share sa inyo yung packaging and the new PR package that they sent. So we have here the mirror. Also had here scented candles. So yan, sobrang bango neto. And of course, the main event, the main products na sinand nila is this Herbal Essence Bio-Renew Shampoo and Conditioner. So yan, ito lang yung shampoo na ginagamit ko and the conditioner. And what I like about these products is they all use natural ingredient. Natural and plant-based ingredient. Hindi ka na mag-worry na may chemicals na ma-add sa hair mo because it doesn't include mineral oils. There's no BHA and also there's no silicone. So sobrang healthy neto sa hair. It's really natural. Yun, so I watched the vlog of Andy Eigenman about her hair and she also used this herbal essence. Napansin ko doon na medyo iba pa yung packaging, but right now sobrang nag-improve na, very aesthetic and ang ganda lang tignan, very unique yung packaging nila. Next thing that I really appreciate when using herbal essence is the scent. So whenever I use this kapag nag-shower ako, talagang naglalast yung amoy niya for 5 hours, nandun pa rin yung amoy, and even though it's like herbal or organic shampoo, it could produce a really great scent. It's very sweet. Sobrang bango niya. Guys, if I could only let you touch and smell my hair, sobrang fresh niya sa pakiramdam, talagang bagsak siya. These are my favorite variants of the herbal essence, the strawberry variant, but you could also search for other variants to address your specific hair concern. And lastly is for the touch. Napansin ko dito hindi siya sticky. Whether you have a dry hair or oily hair, na-a-adapt ng shampoo and conditioner neto. So the only tip that I could share you guys if gusto nyo talagang maka-achieve ng healthy hair na talagang bagsak, and it looks good, smells good, is avoid using too much ingredient. That's why I thought of sharing with you guys because it's really worth it to switch on a product that has natural ingredient than sticking on products na talagang maraming chemical ingredient. So Herbal Essence actually has a natural and plant-based ingredient that gives your hair the perfect nourishment that it needs. So yeah, this is a really must try. This is available on Watson's, SM department stores, and other drugstores nationwide. By the way, ang next kong gagawin is mag-work ako as an ESL teacher. ESL teacher pa rin ako for just a short amount of time lang naman. Talagang 1 to 2 hours lang, and after that is I will sleep because I have shift later night. So ayan guys, thank you so much and I'll see you later. Bye!
Shovel is full.
I think she knows it, but I'm sure it out. Hey, she playing cool now, but these my rules.
So, tuturo ako dito 1 to 2 hours lang kasi na-miss ko magturo. So, ay alright.
Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. We could unwind if you and me. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Bump it and grind, let's go the way. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Drinks in the air now, let's moment. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Tropical vibes are taking over.
Any question? Alright, great. Now let's proceed again with the second one, noun with preposition. Good evening. So this is the first time that I'll be making a vlog on my day in a life night shift technical support on a BPO industry. So ayan, I'm really happy and excited to share you guys how my night or day looks like. So ayan lang guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you later. Bye! Hi guys! So ito, kakarating ko lang sa office. Di pa naman ako late. So, ayun, pakit na ako and then mag-start na yung shift ko. 9 PM pa lang ngayon. And then ayun, sobrang tagal ng biyahe. Sana hindi pa ako late. Ayan, uwian na guys!
Missing someone.